My vehicle hadn't even had its first oil change yet when it was vandalized, and I was really upset about it.
She brought the vehicle to us after it sustained damage from vandalism. We were able to not only complete the repairs, but she benefited in that her vehicle's value was maintained, as well as all the warranties, and ultimately their lease agreement with Volkswagen was also adhered to.
Well, it was important to me because it's a brand new car. It's a 2014 Volkswagen, and also it's a lease, so it's not my personal vehicle, so I'll need to turn it in. And if the car hadn't been fixed correctly the first time, I would have been responsible for the charges when I turned my car in at the end of my lease.
Being the only Volkswagen certified collision center in Western North Carolina means that not only have our technicians completed extensive training from Volkswagen, but also that our facility has specialized tooling and equipment. All that is utilized in conjunction with only genuine Volkswagen parts to ensure your vehicle is just as good after the accident as it was before.
I would highly recommend K&M. My car looks great. It was in really bad condition when I brought it in. There were dents all over the hood and all over the roof, and it looks like a brand new car again. It was a really great experience. They were very professional. They kept me up to date with everything. I had a lot of issues with my insurance company not wanting to pay. If they had not taken up for me, if they had not been an advocate for me, I would have had to pay, thousands of dollars that I don't have when I would have had to turn my car in at the end of the lease, because Volkswagen goes over your car very thoroughly when you turn in your vehicle from a lease, and they would have caught that. I don't think many shops take care of their customers the way that K&M does.